In today's video, we're going to cover how to create a product buying guide for your business in just 4 steps. Step 1, define your audience to know who you're writing for. Determining who are most likely to read your buying guide before you create it can help you tailor your content to their needs and values. For example, if you know your visitors value good deals and saving money, you'll want to highlight differences in price between brands and styles in your guide. You can find information on your audience using Google Analytics and Facebook Insights. Also, be sure to check out my video on creating marketing personas. This will help you understand your audience even more. Step 2, format your guide for fast and easy reading. Most people who consume content on the internet only scan, so dense paragraphs with minimal section breaks aren't likely to hold a reader's attention. How you choose to display your content could make the difference between a sale and a bounce. Fortunately, there are several best practices for writing online content that you can follow. The key is to make important information obvious to anyone looking at the page. Bullet points, subheadings, and text emphasized with italics or bolding will draw in readers' eyes. Putting most of your vital information in these forms will help keep your visitors on your site. Images and videos can also improve online content. They create visual breaks between long sections of text and can sometimes deliver information more clearly than written content. Step 3, utilize search engine optimization to draw in new customers. Most customers use search engines to find new products. If you make the effort to optimize your site for search engines, you could tap into an extensive pool of new customers. Much like blog posts, buying guides are an opportunity to help your site rank for certain keywords and draw new customers to your site. Your product buying guide title, URL, and keywords will play significant roles in your SEO success. These are some of the most important factors search engines consider when ranking pages. For WordPress sites, plugins such as the SEO Framework or Yoast SEO can help optimize these features. Considering search intent or the results a searcher hopes to see when they query a search engine is another useful strategy. By optimizing for search intent, you can target certain kinds of customers you hope will read your guide. The title, How to Buy a Refrigerator, for example, would help your guide rank better for corresponding searches. And finally, step number 4, include a call to action to make the sale. A well-written CTA or call to action encourages visitors to take action. When it comes to e-commerce, CTAs have shown to increase conversion rates and sales. By making it fast and easy to make purchases, a CTA link or button can provide the extra push needed to get a visitor to commit to your product and become a customer. This Wayfair refrigerator buying guide provides some examples of CTAs. The links to the Shop All Refrigerators category and the encouragement to look specifically at certain styles mentioned in the guide are meant to galvanize visitors to shop. Providing links to their own products decreases the likelihood of readers leaving Wayfair and buying from a competitor. When it comes to competing in the e-commerce world, product buying guides can separate your brand from the pack. By increasing your site's visibility, building trust with customers, and enabling fast and easy purchases, buying guides can give your business a significant boost. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.